As an admin, you're able to manage your organization's users easily. Let's learn how. If you need to add a new user to your Happy or Not Analytics account, you can do this by clicking Admin, Users, and then Add New User. Write the email address of the new user here. Next, choose a role for the user. Choose preferred report language for the user. Users can change the language themselves later. Tick the box if you'd like the user to receive Smiley status notifications. If enabled, the user receives emails regarding battery status for Smileys that are relevant for them. In Data Access, you can determine what the user sees in Happy or Not Analytics. We recommend that users can see all feedback data across the organization. This way, it's possible to determine, for example, best practices and learn from others. If needed, it's also possible to limit what the user can see by choosing a specific group or experience point only. Furthermore, it's possible not to give analytics access to the user, but we highly recommend you don't change the default setting. Lastly, it's time to add subscriptions for the user. Note that the user can also add, edit, and delete subscriptions themselves once they have access to analytics. To delete a user, go to Admin, Users. Search for the user you need to delete and click on it. Next, click Delete User and you're done. Please note that once the user is deleted, they won't be able to access Happy or Not Analytics or receive email reports. All information regarding the deleted user is removed from Happy or Not Analytics. Admins can also edit users. Search for the user you'd like to edit and click on it. You can edit their user details, data access, and subscriptions easily here. It's also possible to send them a new password and to change a password for the user. It's good to note that the user can also edit these details themselves if needed, except for the data access part. It's possible to download all users for Excel if needed. This might be especially handy for bigger organizations. Here's an example. A big retail company has an admin in Happy or Not Analytics, and one of their tasks is to keep the user list up to date. However, the admin might not be the right person in knowing which users are still with the company and which are not. The admin can easily draw up a user list for Excel and send it to the right person in charge for revision.